Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and I was able to get this amazing gardening kit by ANLEOLIFE. Comes with 6 raised beds. 4 of them are rectangular, 2 of them are circular, and it makes for the most versatile gardening experience ever. As you can see, I don't have them filled up yet. We have just finally got above freezing temperatures at night, but I am so ready to start gardening. These beds were very easy to put together. It was tedious because there are lots of screws to put in, but it is very easy. My kids worked on some of them while I worked on others. The kits come with everything you need, including gardening gloves. It does show up in 5 boxes, and what's great is every box has a pair of gloves and all of the screws and instructions needed for each bed. And also with all of those gardening gloves, everyone in the family can join in with gardening. They are 1.5 feet tall and they are actually coated. They're not just the raw metal. And so they don't have the sharp edges that you often find in other raised beds. I like that they're nice and stable. They do have stabilizers in the middle. I still have not decided exactly how I want them set up. So I'm able to actually lift them up and move them and try out different places, different configurations, and make sure that my garden gets just the right amount of sun. I am so excited that I have this beautiful setup to expand my garden with, and that's my point of view.